Hello, my dear students. In this lecture, we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical. This question was asked in GATE 2021 on radiation. Basically, the question is asked to find view factor. Now, let us understand the question. The question is a solid sphere of radius 10 mm is placed at the centroid of hollow cubical enclosure of side length 30 mm. Now, my dear students, we have given one solid sphere and we have given one cube. Let us say this is a cube, right? If I draw a cube, now let us say this will be the cube, right? Like this. All sides are same for a cube. All sides are same, and the side length of cube is given 30 mm, right? Therefore, here all sides are 30. This side will be 30, height will be 30, and width will be 30. This is called cube, right? And at the centroid of this cube, a solid sphere of radius 10 mm is placed. Therefore, here inside this cube, the sphere is placed. Let us say this is a sphere, right? Solid sphere like this, right? Then of 10 mm diameter. Therefore, here diameter of sphere is 10 mm and side of cube is 30 mm, right? Then the outer surface of the sphere is denoted by 1. Now for this sphere, outer surface is 1. Therefore 1 is a sphere. Therefore we can say D1, right? And the inner surface of the cube is denoted by 2. Now here the inside surface of this cube is 2. Therefore cube is 2. Therefore this is L2, right? Then the view factor F22 for the radiation heat transfer is round off to the 2 decimal places. Now, my dear students, they are asking F22 means view factor of cube with respect to itself. This is a question mark, right? Now, my dear students, let us find this. Now, here the sphere is placed inside the cube. Therefore, for this sphere with respect to sphere, F11 will be 0. Say factor of sphere with respect to sphere will be equal to 0. And we have addition law of shape factor, that is F11 plus F12 is equal to 1. That is summation of all shape factor with respect to surrounding bodies is equal to 1. Therefore, for this sphere, the surrounding body is only cube, and therefore shape factor of sphere with respect to itself plus shape factor of sphere with respect to cube is equal to 1. But as for spherical surface, the heat will not come back on the sphere again. Therefore, F11 is 0. Therefore, here we can say F122 is equal to 1. Now, my dear students, again we have one reciprocal theorem. So, let us understand this reciprocal theorem. As per this reciprocal theorem, we can say, now area 1, write down here for sphere and cube, area 1, that is area of sphere, into say factor of 1 with respect to 2 is equal to area 2 into say factor of 2 with respect to 1. This is called reciprocal theorem. Now, my dear students, here can I say the the surface area of this sphere is subjected to radiation heat transfer with this cube. Therefore, the area of sphere A1 is 4 pi r square is nothing but A1, which is also called pi d square, right? And my dear students, here for this cube, all the 6 faces are subjected to radiation heat transfer between sphere and the cube. Right? Here all the 6 faces of this cube are subjected to radiation heat transfer between this sphere and cube, right? Therefore, the area of one face is L square, L into L. For 6 faces, therefore we can say this A2 will be equal to 6 into L square, right? This is area A2. So let us put here. Therefore, the reciprocal theorem is A1 F1 to 2 is equal to A2 F2 to 1. A1 is pi d square, F1 to 2 is 1 is equal to A2. A2 is nothing but 6L square into F2 to 1 unknown. Therefore, here F2 to 1 is equal to pi into diameter is nothing but 10. Pi into 10 square divided by 6 into length is 30 square. So let us simplify this. If I simplify this, I will get F2 to 1 is equal to 0.2327, right? But here question is to find F2 to 2. Again, use law of addition of shape factor. That is, shape factor of any body with respect to surrounding bodies is always equal to 1. That is, shape factor of 2 with respect to 1 plus shape factor of 2 with respect to 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, step factor of 2 with respect to 2 is equal to 1 minus 0.2327, which is equal to 0.7672. Now, my dear students, here in question they are asking round off to the two decimal places. If I want to round off these two decimal places, 7 is more than 5. Therefore, it will become, it is close to 0.77. Therefore, here we have to type 0.77 for getting 2 marks. Thank you, dear students. In next lecture, we will see one more numerical on this topic which was asked in previous year GATE examination.